I'm about to have some vanilla too.
Jay.
You need to make a bigger hole in the bottom.
No.
Why?
You can do it. Come on, Iron Lung.
Fuck no, my lungs
Come
are
on.
exploded.
Do it.
I'm trying.
It's supposed to be small hole in the top, big hole in the bottom, I thought.
You don't even know. No, it's not. It's not boiled.
Oh, okay.
It's just raw.
Oh, you got some water out of it.
No.
You can have those when it all comes out. It's gonna break the egg you're blowing. You got a good bit out. Here. Here. The yolk to come out.
Look at you, look like
It looks so fucking nasty.
your face is.
It looks like you're squirting out of your nostril. Here, can I put a big one in the bottom now?
No.
It's nasty.
Just try a little bigger.
Just funky janks coming out the rear of that thing. That funky jank you won't fill up a while.
Fill up with water.
Oh, lubricate it. Ew.
I think the yolk's just in there now. I'd imagine that's all that's left.
You would imagine that?
Would you imagine that? Here's what we do.
Now we cook it.
No.
We hard boil it.
Oh, that was.
Oh, you got yolk.
Oh.
This shit's fucking nasty.
It's an egg.
Fucking chicken jizz is gross.
Chicken nori.
What's up over that shit? Yolk. Oh.
Ew, it looks like snot.
Clogged up. Oh, dude, it was clogged up and then just blew a fat load of yolk. Dude, you just totally yoked all over.
Why'd you yoke all over, Dan?
Yolk.
I told you not to do
I
that.
have a really funny yolk. Let me show you.
Oh, show me this funny yolk I have. It's quite the yolk. Daddy's a yoking comedian.
I'm yoking.
Still some in there? I can hear it. That's foul. Oh, you're really cleansing. Cleansing the interior. Why are eggs so freaking fun?
Your eggs
They're
are
incredible.
inedible.
They're incredible.
They're exciting.
Is there still stuff in there?
A little bit.
Just blow it out,
You have
Danny.
some higher expectations than this?
Oh, she's expecting a lot. Don't exaggerate.
Exactly.
Expel the incremental ingredients into my hand. Oh, that's fucking nasty.
What if you suck instead of
Oh,
blow?
look at the chunkiness of the egg. That's foul.
I'm gonna blow the other end now that all the intestines.
That was his intestine. That is a fact.
Looks like pee.
How much is in there?
Well, he's been filling with water.
I know, but still.
Should be almost empty now.
Oh, yeah, yellow booger.
Is there still stuff in there?
He's gotta keep cleansing. Allow the cleansing process. Good things take time.
Good things take time.
I think you probably cooked some of the egg in there with that hot ass water, and that's why it fermented up.
No, that's just the schmagma.
I think you're supposed to use cool water. Dude.
Whoa, hey.
Yo. Control that egg.
It's good. I wish it
Is
would
it
just
empty?
squirt.
Let me feel it.
It's empty.
This
Let me feel it.
quite magnificent.
Is it exciting?
Gentle, gentle.
Oh, would you look at that?
Let me see this.